Aloha, I'm Tina Keko'olani. This is my Aina. We're very blessed today to have Uncle George, Jenny, and Robin, Food Security Hawaii, bringing beautiful food plants to nourish the Aina and build for 3 of our families, 4 actually for this one to begin with. So we want, of course, yes, regenerative agriculture, but we want to be the regenerating source. And so we all want to be our definitely our resources. So we created all of this together, mahalo, for the future of our health and our liveliness, our vibrance of living. And we know that what we all have, and we know that we're going to be sharing, and we're going to spread this work further so that we don't have to eat food that's shipped here. And we're growing everything. But I want to say mahalo, deepest mahalo, for the folks at the Food Security Hawaii and all of these individuals with their own energies, super healthy, inspiring energies, to pass that wealth on to us so we can pay it forward. So mahalo for that.
Aloha. As a novice farmer myself, today I was pleasantly surprised to learn more farming techniques, utilizing combination plants that can help each other, give each other protection and nutrients. Like the tall fruit trees will shade the moderate-sized banana and citrus trees, which will then give protection to the veggies in the garden itself, like uala, kalo, whatever you're gonna grow, lettuce, carrots. So as to Jen and Uncle George Kahumoku, I like to say mahalo no oko ke kukua ana mai ya mako. Aloha, mahalo nui.
So this is an African basil. It's a bush that just grows and grows and grows, and it'll be prolific. We just pulled out its pot, and look, it's really root bound. So I'm gonna just pull the roots out, and sometimes they break, and that's okay. It's better than letting it grow and just keep growing in a circle. If it keeps growing in a circle, the plant will often die. So this just means it really wished it were planted a long time ago. So the trees often come in these plugs. We want to have a nice big hole, and you want to make sure that the roots are sort of pulled away from the pot. So we want to have a nice big hole, and we're going to get that tree in. We're going to put our holes in with the fork. We're going to lay down some juicy compost and dirt. We're going to water it in, right? We're going to put the cardboard on top, and we're going to water the cardboard, and then where the drip line of the tree is eventually going to be, the drip line is where the rain will fall on the outside, is one really good place to put plants. And you can also put veggies.
And you're thinking ahead though.
Yeah.
So you're planting them already
Well, the cardboard will go out to a certain distance, right, and we can plant in that edge. If you want to plant inside there, we have to put holes in the cardboard, which we can and we will today. Yeah. Or we're going to leave a little patch that we're going to really dig up really well and put some veggies or flowers in. Okay?
Before you plant them, we just take the leaves off for eating.
And only the stems.
And then you leave the stems. And usually should be 3 to 4 inches would be a good amount to plant. But this, you could even make these into 2. Sure. But I'm just going to do it so whoever plants it can decide.
These weeds, I look over here, I don't look at weeds. I look at this as mana. Akua gave us this earth, give us the mana. And all the weeds, if weeds can grow, plants can grow. If weeds not can grow, nothing can grow. Like all up there, the richest place I see over here, you see all that glycine is growing. What the glycine is doing, throwing nitrogen into the soil, taking the carbon from the air, putting it into the soil, taking all that pollution, putting it in the soil.
Glorious bubbles of air, spinning intimate patterns, we entwine as one. Aloha mai e, aloha mai e. Ocean, so vast and wide. Life-creating cradle, holding the secret of forever life. E ola paulua, forever life. E ola